how to do affiliate marketing. I'm going to give you an exact example how you can get started with affiliate marketing right now, today. I do not like driving when it's sunny. I don't like driving when it's snowy. I don't like when there's glare. I literally can't see anything. I don't know if it's because I'm over 30 now and I needed to have that problem solved. So what did I do? I went and I got these Oakleys, okay? They've been amazing. I go and I look up Oakley and see if they have an affiliate program. They do have an affiliate program. I apply to be an Oakley affiliate and they give me a link, okay? I take that link and I go to somewhere like ClickFunnels or System.io and I put that link in a 2-page funnel. So it gives someone to click on it. So on my first page of my funnel, I'll probably be like, do you have a hard time seeing when there's a glare? Do you need something to help with that? And then put my link there so it gives someone somewhere to go. And then I'm going to go and take that funnel and I'm going to put it into a domain. So I'm going to go to somewhere like Bluehost and I'm going to get a cheap domain and I'm going to put that there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go start creating short form video content. So taking a video like this where I'm squinting and being like, do you do this often? If so, you might want to invest in one of these. Boom. Quick and easy videos that are repetitive, 5 to 7 minutes long. You take and make that content every single day, telling someone why they need 5 to 7 second videos, why they need a pair of sunglasses and how they've been helpful for you. You drive traffic. Then if someone goes and purchases a pair, which if it's something like Oakley, they're not super cheap, so they go and they purchase a pair through your link, you get a commission when they buy a pair of sunglasses. And if you drive a ton of traffic, okay, let's say you drive, hundreds of people there a day, you can make great commissions. And all you're doing is creating short form video content because everything else is set up. That's why people who do affiliate marketing work about an hour a day. I do affiliate marketing. I've been able to make it into a multiple 6-figure business as a busy mom of 3. So if you want to get started, follow along, drop a heart below, and I can give you more info. But that is the gist of how you can make money doing affiliate marketing.